Here we have a 1988 Daihatsu Hijet. This is the older generation of the Hijet. It's still a 550cc pre-1990 model. But this one, the special thing about it is it's been very well maintained in Japan. This one I'll show you around. There are a lot of signs of really good maintenance from the previous owner. It also is in the more rare factory blue color. This one is the Climber trim level, 4-wheel drive with a locking rear differential. It has a clean interior, smells nice, no major blemishes or anything. There's a small tear beginning on the inside of the seat, but besides that, everything looks great. Here you have your headlight and fog light controls, as well as the Difflock switch there. You engage 4-wheel drive with this button in the middle of the transfer case lever here, then you have high and low. There's an AM radio, those work. No AC, but there is heat, which, at least around here in the Northwest, heat is more important anyways. This has brand new tires all around. We installed these over in Japan before it arrived here. Some Dunlop tires, pretty nice. Then you can see along the frame here there is just very little wear. There's no rust or anything. All looks all of this looks very immaculate. There's your gas cap there. Spare tire right under the rear. And then this one actually has a piece that's usually missing in these guys. It's the original Hijet battery cover. You don't find this on a lot of mini trucks, and it's actually a good sign. If it still has it, it's usually a truck that's in pretty good shape, or at least was well maintained by the previous owner. Yeah, we can go ahead and start it up. So it's pretty cold right now, so it's idling high, but it starts right up. You can see super low mileage, 23,000 kilometers, so that comes out to around 14,000 miles, which is just nothing for one of these trucks. And then you've got a few indicators up here, your 4-wheel drive light, as well as your battery charge indicator, oil pressure, and high beams. Yeah, a couple of air fresheners, came from Japan. Yeah, go ahead and shut it off. And then, so in these Daihatsus, the engine is placed further up to the front, so right underneath this cab here. And then your weight in the back is supplied by the fuel tank as well as a spare tire. Yeah, these are great little trucks for off-road use, as well as just being around town parts runners. And this one will be no exception. And you can see here the quality of this bed. Looks great, no major scratches. Looks like it was barely used. So, yeah, this mini truck is in pretty incredible condition. Definitely worth taking a look at in person. You can find more information on our website, 1988 Daihatsu Hijet. Yeah, thank you for watching.